Hello Hot Wheels collectors, welcome on this rainy day. Today we are presenting DeLorean Alpha5. This is new Hot Wheels from 2024. It's mainline, white color, brown rims, looks very nice. I'm collecting Hot Wheels for over 5 years. Which Hot Wheels for 2024 would you like to see next? I have 1000 Hot Wheels collection. Would you like to see races or presentation or some others Hot Wheels? Each day new videos, new streams. Welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more.